In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add overlays in Google Vids. Google Vids are part of the Google Workspace, allows for some creative editing techniques, and today we're diving deep into one of these, adding overlays to your videos. Whether you're looking to add a watermark, a logo, or any graphic over your video, this tutorial will guide you through each step in a detailed and easy to understand manner. We begin this journey by navigating to the Google Vids platform. It's a straightforward step. Simply head over to your favorite web browser, type in Google Vids, and hit enter. You're looking for the official Google Workspace link to ensure you're in the right place. The first screen you'll encounter is the gateway to Google's video editing magic. Here you'll be prompted to sign in to access all of Google Vids functionalities. Click on the sign in button. It's your key to unlocking a plethora of editing features. Once you've clicked on sign in, you'll be asked to choose the Google account you want to proceed with. Select the account you use for your creative or work purposes, or whichever account has the video you intend to edit. This step is crucial as it directly affects the access to your previously uploaded videos and the Google Drive integration. Now, with access granted and your desired account selected, you're ready to dive into the creative part. The first thing you'll need to do is find the video you want to edit. Upon locating it, look for the Insert button. This button is your gateway to adding various elements to your video, including the overlays we're focusing on today. After you've clicked Insert, the next step is to select Upload. This option allows you to bring external elements into your video. For the purpose of our tutorial, you'll need to upload a single colored photo that you intend to use as an overlay. This could be a simple semi-transparent image of your logo, a watermark, or any graphic that you want to appear over your video content. Choose your file carefully, as this will be the overlay seen on your video. Following the upload of your chosen image, the next step requires you to click on the Format option. This option is where the real magic happens, as it allows you to adjust how your overlay interacts with your video. By clicking here, you unveil a suite of editing options to fine-tune your image's appearance on the video. One of the most critical adjustments you can make in the Format option is clicking on Adjustments. This is where you can modify your overlay's opacity to ensure it complements your video without overshadowing the content. Lowering the opacity of your overlay ensures it blends smoothly with the video, maintaining a professional and polished look. Too high opacity can distract from the video content, while too low might make the overlay invisible. Finding that perfect balance is key, and it's something you can tweak to perfection in the Adjustments section. Adjusting the opacity is a simple slider movement. As you reduce the opacity, your overlay will become more transparent, allowing more of the video to shine through. This is particularly useful when you want your logo or watermark to be present without interrupting the viewing experience. Play around with the slider until you find an opacity level that suits your aesthetic and practical needs. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added an overlay to your video in Google Vids. This technique enhances your video's professionalism or personalizes it to match your brand's identity. Remember, the key to a great overlay is making sure it's noticeable without being distracting. It should enhance your video, not detract from it. Experiment with different types of overlays, opacity levels, and positions within your video to discover what works best for your content. Each video might call for a different approach, and the flexibility Google Vids offers is perfect for this kind of creative exploration. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope it helps you add that extra touch of polish to your videos, making them stand out and convey your message effectively. Don't forget to save your work and share your enhanced videos with the world. Happy editing, and see you in the next tutorial.